Chill your beans, understanding this quirky English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a fun and interesting English phrase, chill your beans. This expression might sound a bit odd at first, but it's a great example of the colorful and creative nature of the English language. So, let's dive in and find out what it means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Chill your beans is a playful and informal way of telling someone to calm down or relax. It's often used in a light-hearted context. The word chill in this phrase is slang for relax, and beans are metaphorically used to represent a person's state of agitation or excitement. So, when you say, chill your beans, you're essentially saying, hey, calm down and take it easy. While the exact origin of chill your beans is not clear, it's a phrase that has gained popularity in colloquial English, particularly in the UK and US. It's a great example of how English speakers often use humor and metaphor to convey messages. The phrase combines the informal term, chill, which has been used since the 1970s to mean relax, with a whimsical twist by adding, your beans. Chill your beans is best used in casual, friendly settings. It's not appropriate for formal situations. You might use it when a friend is overreacting about something minor, or when someone is showing unnecessary urgency. For example, hey, chill your beans. We have plenty of time before the movie starts. You're getting too worked up over this game. Chill your beans. It's important to use this phrase in a friendly and light-hearted tone to ensure it's taken in the playful manner it's intended. There are other phrases in English that convey a similar meaning. Some of these include, take it easy, cool your jets, simmer down, relax. These phrases can be used interchangeably with chill your beans, depending on the context and your preference. And that's a wrap on chill your beans. We hope you enjoyed this fun exploration of a quirky English phrase. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about culture and expression. So go ahead, use chill your beans in your conversations, and add a bit of playful charm to your English. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.